Hello, my name is Wendy Dela Cruz, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about AIPs in Aware for summer school teachers. So the first thing I'm going to be showing you is how to find these AIPs. We're going to be logging into Aware, going to the Students tab, searching to find a student, and I'll show you two different ways, by name or by all my students. We'll get the form from their student profile, and then we'll view the form. To log into Aware, you can always go through the Launchpad and find Eduphoria, then click on Aware. Once you're in Aware, you're going to go down here to the Students tab, and then we need to find your students. They do not automatically populate, so don't be confused if you don't see them right away. There are two methods that you can do this. You can search for a particular student by typing in a part of their last name, or you can also search by typing in all and then going down here and clicking on all my students. Do not hit enter after all, because that will search for any students with the letters ALL in their name. Clicking on all of my students will pull up every student that's rostered to you. Be careful if you have principal level access at your campus. That might not be the best way to search, because that might search and pull up all the students at your campus. So you might want to be searching student by student. So then you can click on a student's name, then their profile comes up. There is a tab right here that says Forms. And then once you do that, you're going to be looking down here under General Forms. And if you see this one right here, it says Elementary Accelerated Instruction Plan, AIP. And over on the right, we click View. That will pull up their Accelerated Instruction Plan, and you can scroll down and make edits. Now I'm going to show you how to add an AIP in case you go to your student's profile and click on the forms page and you don't see an AIP already attached. So the same thing, we're going to go follow the same process as before, but then we're going to click Add Forms. It'll be under General Forms, and then we'll find it underneath there. So now let's click on a student and show you what it might look like if they don't have an AIP already attached. I clicked on their name, I clicked on Forms, and then underneath here, I do not see elementary instructional plan. And so what I need to do is add that form. So right here, you're going to click Add Form. It's underneath General Form. So you click that plus sign next to it. And then it should be your first one, Elementary Accelerated Instruction Plan. And in parentheses, it says AIP. I click on it, and then I click Add. Now I see it here, and then I need to go in and view it. If you were the first person filling out this AIP, then I would reach out to your summer school principal and talk more about specifics about all the information that needs to be added to this plan. But in this part, I'm going to talk about how to update. So what do you need to update, summer school teachers? Well, we're going to be going underneath section C, the support plan. In the third box, indicate progress made and data evidence to support your conclusions. It would be helpful to next year's teacher if you list as many specific skills as possible that the student has made progress on, and then giving evidence to support those conclusions. So we're going to be looking at these section names, and we're looking here for section C, support plan. And these are the three boxes that I talked about. And this is the box that you would type in the specific progress that that student has made, anything that they have mastered within your time in summer school, or anything that they've made progress towards. I also want you to notice if there's already a lot of information in this box, right here, if you hover over it, it becomes that diagonal double-sided arrow. You can drag it down so that you have lots of room to type in here. You also might notice some teachers might be putting dates for previous notes, like if you see something like that. So then you might you might indicate that you are the summer school teacher and add to those notes. Okay, so once you do that, once you type in all the information that you need to about the progress that was or was not made and the evidence to support it, you can come right up here to the top and click Save. And that's all you need to do in order to update the AIP. After you've made all of your final updates and summer school has finished for the student, you may archive the AIP form by clicking on Archive. Once you do that, it gives you a box. Are you sure that you want to deactivate that form? It's giving you this warning because if you press OK, then you will not be able to make any more updates on this AIP form. So if there's any other support teachers working with you, or if you're not sure if you have finished adding all the information that your summer school principal would like you to do, I recommend that you hit cancel and wait until you have all the information in and everybody has typed in everything, and then you can press OK. So that's how you update an AIP for summer school.